What are you doing, Isaac? Are you looking at yourself? Who is that? Who's that handsome boy? Who's that handsome boy? Uh-oh, you lost it. Hi. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Oh. What happened? You want to show me your new ball? Hey, your new ball. Show me your new ball. Look how you grab your new ball. Hold it. All right. Oh, oh. Bye-bye, ball. You want to play with it again? Here. You hold it. Good job. Whoa. What? Why are you getting mad? Why are you getting mad? Huh? Why are you getting mad? You're not supposed to get mad. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.